Hey, this is Donovan from Plungie USA. I'm here with Matt Daniel of Lonestar Plunge. This job behind me was the first pool that Matt installed here in Central Texas. As you can see, we've got a beautiful landscape on the back end of this pool. Something else to note is the Plungie's walls are actually their own retaining walls. You don't have to build up a retaining wall to hold the Plungie in. It's designed to hold itself in. And the story behind this pool is amazing. Homeowners called us up, said, we want a pool tomorrow. I said, wait a minute, let's talk about the process here before we deliver you a pool and you don't know what to do with it. After about a 5-minute conversation about our installation process, they were sold, ready to go. The next day, Matt's out here and they are all go right now. Here's a deposit. 17 days later, pool's in place. So in that time frame, Matt was able to come out, do the excavation, pour the pad, get ready, and I think within a month, we got people swimming from the time of a phone call to cannonballs. Matt, is that about right?
That's exactly right. Yeah, it worked out great. You know, the pool availability, the ease of working with the customer, great communication with the homeowner and Plungie, my crew, the excavation, the concrete, everything went smoothly. The weather cooperated, and we were swimming in a month.
That's the story of Plungie, folks. Give us a call. Fast installs. Consumers want pools and they want them now. We can meet that demand. Give us a call at 855-PLUNGIE or visit us online at plungie.com. That's PLUNGIE.